Hello everyone, so here we have a question that says current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5 div by milliampere and its voltage sensitivity is 20 div by volt. The resistance of the galvanometer we need to calculate. We know that resistance is current upon voltage, so current sensitivity upon voltage. So we know the formula for current sensitivity, it is NBA upon C, and voltage is NBA upon C into Rg, that is resistance of the galvanometer. So just we need to put the values in the formula and we'll get the answer. One thing that we need to remember, that the volt and it is milliampere, the current is in milliampere and the voltage is in volt. So first we need to convert 20 volts to 20 milliampere so that we can have the equality in the units, and for converting we'll just multiply it with 10 to the power minus 1 and we'll get the answer, which is 250 ohms. That is the resistance of a galvanometer.